Right, here we have the iseo 5-pin door lock. I have one little tiny homemade tension wrench and one small offset half diamond. Now the trick with this is there's only two security pins as far as I can see, the second and the fourth. So the quickest way is just to put it into a false set. Go to the one near the back and the one at the front, and there you are. As easy as that. See if I can do it again. There we are. And these are on my house doors, which is a bit frightening, so obviously I'm going to have to change the security on these.